Okay, now that we have the arm assembly and the vibration plate mounted, this is where your speed controller is going to go. We're going to turn over the quad and work on the bottom of the frame. Now this is where it becomes very customizable. You can add the plates in different dimensions, different widths, different distances from each other as you see fit. You can make everything customizable from this point on. What I chose to do is I took one large standoff and one small standoff, and I'll place them right here to space off for the battery plate. I'm using one small standoff on the top to hold it together. So again, one large, one small on the top, just to hold it firm. Okay, what this gives us is plenty of distance from the bottom of the arms to the next plate that will go right here. This is where we'll be mounting the battery. And if you notice on this plate, there's smaller CNC grooves. What you'll need now is the foam that came with the kit and the two pieces of Velcro that came with the kit. And before I nail this down, I'm going to put the Velcro through the slots that represent the width of my battery. Take a battery, put it down, measure how far across it is, make sure it's going to fit nice and snug. And I'll put the other piece of Velcro in as well. Okay, now I'm ready to mount it on the plate. I'm going to use 4 smaller standoff screws. You can use bolts if this is going to be the last plate. You can use some bolts to cover it, or you can use standoffs. There's enough accessory plates. You can actually use the large standoffs and put another plate on the bottom to cover and protect your battery if you choose. So I'll switch really quick to using the large standoffs. Okay, now that the battery plate is in place, you take the adhesive off the back of these 2 foam strips like that and place it on the frame so your battery doesn't slip in and out when it's tightened down. And you'll take the battery, the foam gives you a little pressure to push on, and you can mount the battery. And you can mount another plate if you want to cover the battery or protect the battery, or you can leave it just at the bottom of your quad. Depends on how you like it. Customizable however you want to do it. And that's how you mount the battery plate.